Hi, my name is Johnny Bentwood and I'm here to talk to you about how to use TweetLevel. The first thing you need to understand when using TweetLevel is that context is absolutely critical. There's no point in searching for influence unless you understand the topic which you're searching. So in this example, we're going to be searching about what people are saying about the news of the world. I'm going to type in the search box NOTW. Now we're going to be searching every single tweet ever made. Now there's 2,400 tweets that are done per second, so each search does take about half a minute. Please be patient and we will get these results to you. Now when the results come up, the first thing you'll notice is a chart that says level of buzz. This shows you how much people are talking about this particular subject in the Twitter sphere, a really important benchmark and barometer about how important something is. We're then going to look at share of voice. Out of the 1,000 people talking about it, we're going to look at the top 10 and what their share of voice is like. This next one, related phrase, is one of my most important graphs. This shows you what people are talking about in the context of this search, and it's just as relevant in any language in the world. And this final chart shows you what web links people are most frequently sharing. Great tools and graphs to show you what is important to people. So what we've done now is we've analysed out of those hundreds of thousands of people talking about it, which 100 people in the past 15 days talk about it the most. We can import these 100 people. We know they're important by relevance, but what we now need to understand is, out of those 100 people, which are the people that are most influential. We can type our name into the email box, and I need to stress we will not keep anyone's email address. It's now going to import all of these 100 names, and we will get a link via an email sent to you, which you can click on to see what the TweetLevel influence scores of these people are. Now when you click on this link, it will take you back to TweetLevel, and it will show you the link, show you the scores as calculated by a metric that looks at 40 different aspects in the algorithm. And as you can see, it ranks these 100 people according to their TweetLevel influence. But understanding their influence is just one part of this now. What we also now need to understand is, once we've picked which people to go for, we need to understand what those people actually talk about. We can't just randomly talk to them. We need to understand what is important to those individuals. We need to understand what they talk about, who influences them, who also talks about the same subjects, and of course we can also read their biography. Personally, I believe a score of between 65 and 85 is the sweet spot. These are the people who are highly influential, but not so popular that they're almost impossible to speak to. We can also look at their tagline, as I said before, what they speak about, who influences them, who they influence, and who also talks about similar subjects. So that's the end of this demonstration. I hope you enjoy using TweetLevel, and thank you for your time.